We're going to walk through how to create a vertical video from a horizontal video. So we start with the project here, and we'll find the sequence in the project folder. We will right click and choose Auto Reframe Sequence. Here is the sequence name it's going to give it. You're welcome to change it. Target aspect ratio is 9:16. Motion tracking default is good. Two options for nesting. You have do not nest clips, which will not scale the video to fill the frame. So you have black bars on the top and bottom. And you also have nest clip, which is what we will use, which will scale all clips to be full frame. So we create this. It will drop it up here in the auto reframed sequences folder. And so we will open this one here. And here's our auto reframe sequence. It's got it all full frame. You'll see Jerusalem dateline is cut off, so we'll work on that. But everything else, so far so good. This one we can work on, so we see the whole word. But everything's good here. It does motion. Okay, that one we have to work on. And then all these are good, including to the flag. And the end we'll work on. So, to fix this one, you can alt-click and drag up. And then we'll do ignite. We'll alt-click and drag up. And if you want to reframe something, you go to Effects Controls, and you'll notice that motion is disabled right now. Disabled when auto reframe is applied. So we'll actually do all of our effects down here in auto reframe. We have adjust position, which does nothing. So we want to work on reframe offset. This gives you your horizontal and your vertical movement. So and then reframe scale. So we want to scale this down so we can see all the words. We'll move it over here. Let's scale it a bit more. There we go. Now this will keep, what the auto reframe does, it keeps any movements you had on the original clip. So even though we're moving this here, when I play through this, you'll see that the clip is actually still moving. And we added the one behind it, which we're going to keep it full, the reframe scale of 100. And then we'll add a little Gaussian blur to that one, the bottom clip, and put that at like 50. And now we have a perfect little background there.
Plus, ignite the truth.
So just that one clip. And we can do the same thing here. Well, look at that. This one was perfect, actually. Oh, no, because we can't see the UNRWA. So we'll scale it down. So we can see UNRWA. Scale that just so it's on the edge there. And we'll slip it a little bit that way. There we go. And now, whoa, so many messages. One thing you can do is we'll do that Gaussian blur here again. Effects, Gaussian blur, and drop it on the bottom one. And set that to 50, which might not be enough, so we can drop that to maybe 150. Now it's blurred out really, really well. So it shouldn't be too distracting in the back. Now let's do that. So we're good there. This one is done. Look at that. About 2 minutes to edit the whole thing. For this JD one, I actually have already worked on it with the reframes and everything. So we will take this now, and when you go to export, Control M, it's got its title. If you don't have a preset, so I have a YouTube JD vertical preset, which also puts the Jerusalem dateline bug in it. But you can just choose Facebook HD, and you'll see it has wings on it. So the way to fix that is to open up video, and the very top first setting is basic video settings and match source. We'll hit match source, and now it changes our scale to 9:16, which is what we want. And then we export. We will open up Opus Clip, and if you're only doing captions, which all you need now is captions because we just created the vertical video, so we just need captions. So you can hit AI Captions here, but this will take credits away from us. You'll notice we have our credit count is up here in the top right. So this will take 1 credit per minute of video. But if you come here on the left side to our account where it says the J and use the drop down arrow, you can click on Opus Clip Captions. So as long as your clip is under 200 megabytes, which this one clearly is, it's very short, we will open up this, go to our folder, and wait for it to refresh. There it is. We'll open that, and we'll upload it to Opus Clip, and this will actually give us captions for free. So we're uploading now. It will give us a new dialog box where we can choose our style. At this point, the style doesn't matter because we can't choose our template here, so you can choose any style you want and hit Add Captions 1 click. So now it'll process your video, and you can either stay on this screen and watch it, or come back later, and then when you open up your dashboard, we'll see the clip here on our left, and it also tells you the percent and how much time is remaining. We can actually click on the clip here, and it'll show us more details. There we go, 86%. Now that the changes are saved, we're back to here. You can click Download HD, and it will bring up a save dialog box, and you can save it that way. The free captions that we just did always adds Opus Clip Captions here, but you can get rid of that. Only leave one MP4, and that is how you download your video.